Ki khubor ka Batesi TV ka umdi basnyam bat penjaslian Rupa Premium Meghalaya.
Haga arpunyo tarik unai lor arajar arpsan. Haga por kumba sau baji lala san pau minit AA. Gipulit gila yo Jingtih. Bagadon ka Jingtih Dewïong Be-Aiñ. Bat ka Jing pelang yo Dewïong haga wei ka klau. Ha Krem Langshait. Ka bahab hapau podu sam jaga shnong. Lom Bangla ha East Jingtih Hills District. Gipulit gila labba yo Dewïong la pelang haki arteli ki jaka. Kani kalongkat kum ka Jingtih ka baki pulit gila pelai haka website Jongki.
Hello everyone, this is Dr. Madan Kumar, working as an associate professor in Christian Medical College, Vellore, in pediatric respiratory department. My main treatment would be with pediatric lung disorders such as asthma, recurrent chest infection, and then recurrent cough. So the importance of this is, if you diagnose it first and if you treat it properly, long term the child will have a normal life. If you are not going to treat the child properly, what happens is the quality of life of the child decreases. That is manifested like not studying properly, not playing properly, and not behaving properly. So when we try to treat these things, the respiratory infections properly, most of the times they get better and have a good quality of life. So I am here to screen the children who have respiratory problem. I will be available in Dr. H. Gordon's Robert Hospital from October 1 to October 15 between 10 to 1 p.m. Thank you.